Good morning. Breakfast today is my ground beef with the onion and bacon, saute, chutney, whatever that I made last the weekend. I'd added some seasonings to it, added some salt, and I don't know, one of these seasonings I have over here. And that's what I'm going to be eating today. It's going to be hot, I think. That's my breakfast. And tomorrow, I have just a day out meeting. It's a 4-hour drive away, so I'll probably be taking some Quest chips to help stay awake and stuff. But I'll take my lunch along. So I'll try to remember to show you everything I eat tomorrow. But it's going to be weird because it's a 4-hour drive, so I can't record and drive and all that good stuff. So we'll see how it works out. Lunch today is zucchini and squash that I got from somebody local, and my chuck roast. So I'll have to look back. I think it was 6 ounces of the chuck roast and then 300 grams of the zucchini and squash. Hey there, I'm home. Got another big zucchini from a coworker and a big fat tomato. So I split it into 4s. Not really sure how I'll count this because I did not weigh out the tomato or the zucchini. I just put it in. And then I added some of the umami to it. So I'm going to have these for some quick sides for my meals, this next couple days. But hang on, we'll figure out what's for supper. All right, so I've kind of got a couple things going. I'll address this in the next video. Tonight for supper, I've got my 80-20 ground beef. I'm going to put on some Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to microwave it. And then I'm going to put some ketchup and mustard on it. So I'll have me a bacon or a cheeseburger in a bowl. I'm not adding bacon bits right now. I'm just leaving it at just the cheese with the ketchup and mustard. So I microwave that, and then I'll show you what I'm eating for supper tonight, and then I'll show you what I'm taking with me tomorrow. All right, so for tonight, listen, I didn't measure the cheese, and I didn't weigh out the zucchini and the tomatoes, so I'm sorry, I'm not going to have this in chronometer. I'm just going to do a little dab of mustard. Dang it. I hate the watery part. All right, so a little squirt of mustard. And I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Zero it out. I do always weigh my ketchup because I don't want to get overboard. There's just some things I can't measure, and I know that I would go back to my old ways and get too much in it. So I'd rather be precise with it. So 27 grams, which 30 grams is a serving. So I'm going to have this. Sorry, I'm going to have that. And then I'm going to have this zucchini and tomato bowl. So this is what I'm going to have for my supper tonight. Zucchini, tomatoes, and that. Oh, and I added some Walden Farm, one of the vinaigrette dressings. So that salad dressing, I added a little bit of that in there. So that is my supper tonight, y'all. Now stay tuned because I'm going to show you, I'll show you at the end of the day tomorrow. But I'm fixing to record. Here's a little pre-season. I cut up my pork steak, my pork chuck roast. Dadgummit. I cut up my chuck roast into bite sizes. I put seasonings on it. And I'm going to be taking 2 bags of Quest chips because when I'm there around all the people with their desserts, it'll be nice for me to know that I have a backup if it gets too much. But yeah, so this right here is my supper tonight.